Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnav from Technical Days. We will update you on the Nifty as well as USD and our technical outlook. In previous trading session, index opened with an upward gap. However, it has witnessed selling pressure at higher levels which led index to close in negative territory. It has closed around 8744 with loss of 25 points. On the daily chart, index has formed a bearish candle indicating sustained selling pressure at higher levels. Since past 7 to 8 consecutive trading session, index is facing steep resistance around 8800 as well as 8820 levels. Hence, any decisive close above 8820 levels will indicate further strength. From current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty trade and sustains above 8770 levels, then it may witness further buying momentum towards 8800 levels and 8830 levels. On the downside, 8730 will act as an immediate intraday support zone. Any violation of this support zone will cause some selling pressure towards 8700 levels and 8650 levels. Nifty continues to remain below its 20-day simple moving average, which supports bearish sentiment in near term. On the daily chart, index continues to remain consolidated within broad trading range of 8900 and 8530 levels, which represents consolidation at current level. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory, which indicates buying may arise at lower levels. Some positive bias stock for the day are Apollo Tyre, Tata Chemical, BPCL, Ultratech Cement, Infratel, HUL and Dabur. Whereas some negative bias stock for the day are CSC, Ajanta Pharma, Divi's Lab and Star. Moving to the USD technical outlook, in previous trading session, USD opened on a positive note, and it has remained lackluster within 66.85 to 66.70 levels throughout the session. It has closed around 67.74 levels with gain of 0.03%. On the daily chart, USD has formed a small bearish candle indicating negative bias. Since past 3 consecutive sessions, USD is consolidating within 66.90 to 66.60 levels, representing lack of strength on either side. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, USD continue to form lower top, lower bottom formation indicating sustained downtrend. On the daily as well as on weekly chart, USD continue to remain below its short term as well as long term moving average, which supports bearish sentiment ahead. For the day, if USD trade and sustains below 66.70 levels, then it may witness further selling pressure towards 66.50 to 66.40 levels. From current levels, an immediate intraday resistance zone is around 66.80 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in negative territory, which indicates selling may arise on pullback rally. Thank you.